content. Oh, my camera sucks.
Oh, when you don't pay for one of these, it's really hard to see.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo. I didn't pay for this.
Hey, yo.
Oh, it's going. It's going.
Help.
Stop. There's brakes. It's gone. It's gone.
Actually, you gotta hold the phone. You gotta hold the phone. You gotta hold. Don't you drop it. Let's go.
Go, Millie, go.
I'm all rough. How does it go faster? Oh.
Uh-oh, Millie.
So add some like wind in the hair.
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay. Oh.
No, Millie's
Hey,
not
I
that.
saw that getting let out.
Millie, I know, that's what I was trying to warn you about. I was trying to warn you about him. Like, he was just staring you down like him. He's like, oh my God. I love how you always film vertical but flip it horizontal. Push your button.
You guys,
Oh, do we need a ticket?
if you're lactose
Oh,
intolerant,
we're cooked. Oh,
it's not worth it.
Yes, it's good. Okay. It's just good.
Remove sunglasses to read screen.
Really?
Dang. Some people are that dumb. Mama!
4, 3, come on kids, 2, 1, let's go. Start it up, Dave. He calls it a jet car.
Yeah, well, so far.
Yeah, so far. Spectacular, Dave.
Yeah.
I'm loving it.
Thanks, Dave. Go get your pizza. Andre's hungry.
Yeah, it's just, what's happening is the rhythm. Oh, hey, hang on a second, there's a sound. Hey, it does sound like a jet, that's not bad.
I can hear it.
Wow.
Yes.
That's not bad at all. It's a little bit warm.
What?
It does smell like Kero.
Yeah.
Oh, I see flame. Are you serious?
Is that it?
That's not bad at all. What a great trick, ladies and gentlemen. Give them a round of applause. How good is that? A little bit of flame came out the back.
Yeah, see you, Dave.
Yeah, well done. Well, yeah, a little bit more. No, Matthew, that'll be it.
Okay, great.
That's a great trick, Dave. Oh! What in the blazes is that?
Tell me if you're not feeling the burn now.
Is that what they mean by feeling the burn? After all that, that's just immense.
Look at it go. Look at the look.
Whoa, Howard Sons goes off.
Alex's vlog content, y'all. Oh, I'm so full.